In this video, we will tell you the 11 tips by which you could get rich from nothing. Almost everyone who followed these tips got rich in no time. You must watch this video till the end, or you may miss the opportunity to become rich. Now let's start. 1. Define richness for yourself. To begin amassing wealth from thin air, you must first determine what it means to you and your loved ones to be prosperous. You must first determine the precise amount you must earn before you can retire comfortably. Knowing about the distinction between the affluent and the wealthy could also help you with your money matters. Your location is an important consideration. A house or a 500 square foot apartment might be yours with an annual salary of $75,000 in certain regions. 2. Evaluate your approach to money. You need to examine your money thinking if you want to build a life with plenty of money. A money attitude is how you approach your financial situation is crucial. I can see how that may cause some initial unease. Feeling awkward about parting with your cash is understandable since certain cultures value it more than others. But you must be articulate if you want to amass wealth from thin air. The first step in changing your money perspective is realizing how much money you really need to live your dream life. Having the confidence to tell yourself things like, I want to earn $100,000 by the end of the year, will help get you through the tough times. Before I could even consider starting my own business, I had to accept the fact that making a profit was a top priority. If you want to know more amazing financial tips and tricks to get rich, then do subscribe to our channel and also press the like button. 3. Set aside money. If you want to be wealthy, one of the first things you need to do is make a budget. A budget is a great tool for tracking your spending and identifying areas where you could be squandering money. Feel free to start from the beginning if you are unsure of how to construct a budget. To ease into the concept of financial responsibility, I recommend looking at paycheck budgeting first. The idea is straightforward. Just track your income from each paycheck and write down every penny that you want to spend. 4. Pay off your debt. Eliminating debt is definitely within reach. I understand how overwhelming a mountain of debt may seem when there seems to be no way out. You can escape debt, however, if you take the time to sit down and craft a solid financial strategy. When I talk to folks about debt relief, my go-to recommendation is Dave Ramsey's 7 Baby Step Plan. In my opinion, it will be just as effective for you as it has been for millions of others in paying off their debt. 5. Build an economic strategy. In order to become wealthy, you must have a strategy for managing your existing income. You need a detailed strategy for spending every dollar, regardless of your income level, minimum pay, or 6 figures. You may clarify your definition of rich and establish concrete, attainable goals with the aid of a financial plan. In order to safeguard your money, a financial plan takes into account possible risks and formulates solutions to lessen their impact. To create a strategy, you must first take stock of your financial situation by tallying up your income, outgoings, assets, and debts. 6. Save money for rainy days. Something unexpected may happen at some point in everyone's lives. Always be prepared for the unexpected. You never know when you may need a mechanic, a roof repair, or even a visit to the emergency hospital. Having a certain amount of money set aside specifically for such unexpected expenses is an important part of any sound financial strategy. An emergency savings fund may be as large or little as you choose, but it's wise to have at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living costs on hand. This will provide you peace of mind when it comes to your overall financial strategy. When you have enough money in the bank to fix a flat tire without cutting into other parts of your budget or, worse, charging it, it's a lovely feeling. 7. Cut back on expenditures. If you want to get wealthy from nothing, sometimes you have to accomplish the impossible, like without spending a dime. You would be amazed at the habits you can form if you can commit to a time-limited no-spend challenge. No matter how long your trip is going to be, a weekend, a week, or even a month, trying out a no-spend challenge will make you realize how much you can alter. A no-spend challenge may help you save money and alter your spending patterns simultaneously. Going shopping will suddenly make you question if something is really essential versus how much you actually need it. It's just fantastic. 8. Get a head start on money saving. The key to being wealthy is cutting costs, but conserving money is what will actually help you amass riches over time. One may start saving in a variety of methods, which is a blessing. You may open a money market account, put money in the old-fashioned jar on top of the fridge, or open a totally different, untouchable checking account to put money into. The most critical thing is that you begin saving money, and there are several methods to do so. 9. Develop a variety of revenue sources. An intelligent strategy to amass wealth is to diversify one's revenue sources. Why? Having many sources of income can help you make money regularly, as not all of them will be steady. Are you aware that the typical multimillionaire maintains more than 7 sources of income simultaneously? You name it: investments, employment, real estate, etc. Think about picking up some extra work on the side if you're looking to diversify your income. Perhaps you take up a weekend waitressing job, create a blog, or consult with others in your field. Whatever it takes to increase your income. It will need more effort, but no one ever became wealthy without trying. 10. Keep calm and keep pushing forward. To become wealthy, you need a slow cooker, not a microwave. I recommend getting going and bringing your patience if you want to increase your income and become wealthy from nothing. Unless you win the lottery, which is quite unlikely. My apologies. Real riches do not materialize overnight. The truth is that you need to be patient if you want to become as wealthy as you've always imagined. The kind of money you may be aiming for may take years, if not decades, to attain. What would I recommend? Get a head start since time flies by anyway. Meanwhile, avoid distractions. If you want to retire with $1 million, you have to do whatever it takes to get there. If you're patient, you'll be able to accomplish it. 11. Take the plunge into investing. Now that you have your finances in order and are starting to put some money aside, you can start having fun. After all, amassing wealth over time is possible via prudent investing. And what's even better, you may start your financial adventure in a myriad of ways. House flipping, short-term rentals, and investing in second homes are all forms of real estate that may provide substantial profits. You may also look into purchasing a local company, such as a dive bar or a laundry, to supplement your income. You might always put some money aside now by buying stocks or bonds of a corporation. That's all for today. Now you know all the tips to become rich from nothing. My friends who started with $0 got rich by following these tips. Press the subscribe button if you are really interested in knowing more amazing financial tips and tricks. We upload amazing financial videos daily, so subscribing to our channel would be beneficial for you. Press the like button also, as it motivates us to make more outstanding financial videos. Feel free to drop a comment below if you're left with any queries or suggestions for us. Make sure that you share this video with all of your friends, relatives, family members, cousins, and all others so that they can learn and improve themselves financially. I really love that you watched this video till here. Now, as you are watching till here, I will tell you some more financial lessons. Actually, many of the millionaires like Sir Warren Buffett, Jeff Bezos, Charlie Munger, and all others have personally followed these tips. I have also followed these tips in my struggling days. Still now I follow almost 7 to 8 tips of this video and have made it a daily habit. Now money habits are really very crucial for you to become rich. The person with the best money habits will get rich very soon. But many people don't know what good money habits actually are. We have made several videos regarding the best money habits and the rules of money. We uploaded a recent video on the best money habits, which is actually just amazing. You may click on the video appearing on the right side to watch it. Thank you.